issue of the assurance. The CS Interior is here. I'm here, I'm Deputy President. I don't think I'm out of my mind. Professor Kindiki is out of his mind. The IG is out of his mind. We were in Nyeri, we spent a day. We were in Nakuru, we spent a day. We are here, we have spent a day. We are headed to Coast, we are for a day to Western. That tells you the commitment at the highest level of government on this matter. I therefore want to announce today, for the avoidance of doubt, in this fight and in all other fights to eradicate crime within your respective jurisdiction, you are more than protected. There will be no calls from anybody. And if there are calls, just ignore them. President William Ruto will not call you. I will not call you. Professor Kindiki will not call you. IG Kome will not call you. If the four of us do not call, ignore all the other calls and refer to the four. Tumekubaliana? Hakuna mtu anakupigia simu. I want to assure you, if we call, we'll be telling you you are not doing enough, can you do more? The calls will be to encourage you to do more or to challenge you why you are not doing enough. I want to confirm in this matter, it has been discussed at the National Security Council, the highest security organ of the Republic, and this war has been declared. And if anybody calls you at the region, at the county, find a way of reaching us with the professor and tell us. Huyu atakuwa amekupigia simu, huyu ndio ataenda nyumbani. Atatuambia anapiga simu kama yeye ako na kiganda yake ya breweries. Ama yeye ni anko wa mama fulani. Please don't be intimidated.